What's up everybody, this is CryptoBox with another video. If you're new here, I make videos daily about blockchain games and NFTs. Subscribe if you're here to make some gains. Also, check my Discord and Telegram down below in the description. You can find me there, ask me questions, give me suggestions, and communicate with other people. So let's get started with the video. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about how to unstake your tokens from Zoo or any of these platforms where you stake in a pair. So like Zoo to BNB or something of two different tokens combined into LP tokens, which is liquidity pool tokens. Now with in the case of Zoo staking, when you withdraw it, it still stays in these Cake LP tokens right here, which I'll show you on Metamask. So right here you can see that I have some Cake LP tokens, and this is actually relating to this pool right here, which is Zoo to BNB LP. So once you actually add liquidity right here, you'd have to put Zoo and BNB together, and that would combine into Cake LP tokens. Now, unfortunately, one of my viewers did swap it in Metamask. Now, a big reminder, never swap on Metamask. Do not swap on Metamask. Use Pancakeswap or those good swapping websites like Pancakeswap, and Metamask is not good for swapping, trust me when I say this, because you could literally swap Cake LP tokens to whatever different token, and one of my viewers actually did this, and unfortunately also the slippage tolerance is really high. It's like 3%, while on Pancakeswap it's like 0.5%, so you could literally swap Cake LP tokens to like BUSD and get like $1 after you staked $1,000 of BNB and Zoo. So do not use the swapping. Don't even use it for normal swapping. They take too much of a fee. No hate to MetaMask. I'm just saying that there's obviously a better alternative here. And you can see the viewer did here is approve Cake LP for swaps, and then right after that he swapped it for only 0.1 BNB at the end after staking about a whole BNB or $500. And unfortunately, obviously he lost a lot of money through that. So hopefully Pancakeswap or hopefully Metamask could fix that issue. Here you can see this is Pancakeswap.finance. Now, when you withdraw your money, it's going to be Cake LP tokens. So it's probably going to be in Pancakeswap if it's on Binance Smart Chain, and it's on like if it's on Zoo. It's definitely going to be Pancakeswap, and since it's Pancakeswap, their token is Cake, and they generate Cake LP tokens for your pair. Now, if you don't have a pair and you're doing like stake like one different token, so like here in this case you have Zoo, which is one token, you're not doing no liquidity or anything, you just deposit and it starts giving you money and you can withdraw as Zoo again. Now, to keep in reminder, Zoo did have an update where it confused many people like me for a second here, where actually when you load the farm, you'd be on V2, and if you were staking previously before there was a V1 or V2 option, you'd know that you're not seeing your money you were staking here. And actually that means that because you were staking in V1, which is the older version, and then you would see your money deposited and withdrawable and your rewards and all of that. So once you have your Cake LP tokens from withdrawing, and obviously withdrawing means clicking withdraw and then max, and then you'll get your Cake LP tokens. So in this case I'd get like 7.54. I'm not gonna withdraw it for this video because I already have some Cake LP tokens here that was left over somehow. And so what you would do is you would go to trade and then liquidity, and then this wouldn't show here actually. This wouldn't actually show. So whatever this pair is with what you have, it's a Cake LP token pair. You're gonna input what you remember, or what do you remember depositing or adding liquidity to. So in my case it was Zoo, and if it's not on Pancakeswap, like when you search up Zoo, this wouldn't show here for if you didn't add this by user before. Then once you get the contract address, which obviously most people know, you can go on CoinMarketCap, get their contract address there, and if you have it on Metamask you can get it there too. So you click Zoo. In my case I did use Zoo, and then I'm gonna do BNB because I did use BNB, and it will say pool found. Now you can go back and it will show right here and obviously you can click remove and then get as much of that money you want. So you will receive this much zoo and you'll get this much BNB, and obviously that means that you're getting, you know, this much BNB at the end, which will separate the two tokens, and you won't have no more cake LP tokens. And obviously you can do like 25%, 50% max, as much as you want. You could go like 59, you know, as much as you want at whatever you want. So obviously if you did this by swapping on Metamask, you would lose basically all your money. You'd get like 1% in return, or 10% max at least. And obviously you want to get all your money back safely. So this is for the people that don't know how to, you know, get their tokens after unstaking, and people make this mistake, and obviously this is a costly mistake that I don't want people experiencing. So this is an educational video for those people that are experiencing this issue. So if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, comment what you want for the next video and what game recommend. If you have any more questions, go on my Discord server and ask there, or privately DM me, and I'll see you guys in the next video.